Hi, gals and guys. It's Chris Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com. And this time out, we're just going to look into another plugin, add it to a website. And this time we're going to add Embed Plus for YouTube. So I just want to show you here. Here's MyMediaHelper.com website. And I do have a video page. And there it is. And it updates all my videos. You just go there and take a look just as well as you can on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you how we went about and did that. So I got my test audience website here. This is where I do testing and nonsense, such as like tutorial videos. And let me go to add new. And we are going to put, let's go down to the search. Let's go embed plus. See if it comes up with just those keywords. Best plus for YouTube. All right. So there it is right there. That's what we want to do. So we're going to install now. And while that's installing, grab this. Okay, we'll activate. All right. Updates allow you to specify blah. Of course, you can always buy the ePro version if this really floats your boat. All right, so here we go. You hit the YouTube free thing right there. I can get rid of all this stuff. X out of this stuff, X out of this stuff, X out of this stuff. All right, so let me see. You can do single videos, galleries of a playlist or channel, self-contained playlist or channel, or live stream or premiere. So I'm going to do a gallery. All right, I'm going to hit next. And then let's see, show or hide related or recommended videos at the end of playlist. Show related videos, only hide related videos at the end of playlist. So I'm going to hit that. You can put whatever you want. No YouTube logo will be shown on a control panel. Instead, as required by YouTube, the logo will only show as a watermark when the video is paused. Responsive video sizing. So, yeah, it's totally up to you. How many videos do you want on your page? Columns, we'll go 5. Why not? Put whatever you want in there, and we'll hit next. All right, paste your API key here. All right, so in order to do that, what you want to do is just go into Google and you just want to put in console cloud. Put in those keywords if you want to do it through Google, something like that. Cloud Google, it doesn't matter. Of course, I've got the link down in the description as always, because I got you covered, baby. All right, so you just want to click on this link. And I'm going to change my account just to the fact that I already have this set up through my Media Helper. So I'm just going to set it up through my personal space, my personal site. Okay, so you want to go over here to API and services, hit dashboard. Actually, you can hit library, actually. All right, so you want to scroll down. You want to hit this right here. All right, so from here you want to enable and search project and folder. My first project. Let's go my first project. All right, and just let that do its thing. Spinning, spinning, spinning. All right, so from here we want to create credentials. So create your credentials. And what are you using this for? Service management, YouTube data, API. Okay, where are we calling the API from? Web browser, web server. I'm just going to put web browser. Different credentials are required to authorize access depending on the type of data you're requesting. It can be public data. What credentials do I need? All right. So there is the API key. All right. So let me grab that. And we'll go back to our plugin. I'm going to put that there. Okay, we're going to save and finish. All right, and then you can go through these different tabs to, just search through them and everything. I'm not going to go through everything. So basically what we need is the code. We need the short code. So just have to find the short code on here. I don't really remember where that is. Visual YouTube direction. Oh, okay. I see. So you can either put this on a post or a page. If you want to put it on your front page, I'm just going to create a new page. And I'm just going to call it YouTube, my YouTube channel, something like that. Call it what you want, obviously. Channel. Right. And here's the YouTube tab right here. So just hit YouTube. All right. So let's see. Settings. I want to embed a playlist. I want to embed a channel. So I'm going to go to, I'm just going to pull up a new YouTube. Just put in My Media Helper. My channel, you put in your own channel, obviously, or hey, baby, put in My Media Helper and help promote my site. All right, so I'm just going to grab the address here, and oops, I didn't mean to do that. And I'll get back to where the hell I was, and I'm going to put there, get channel. All right, and then let's see, that should be that. I can dismiss this, we can get rid of this. And all right, and it should add it for me. So that's how you want it. Do you want a grid? I'm sure some of these are pros. Yeah, you have to have the pro version to get some of these. I'm just going to do a grid. Insert gallery. And all right, let's just save it. Let's publish it. All right. And then we'll open it up in a new tab. No images were found. So what did I do wrong here? So I did something wrong. And I did discover what I did wrong. So it doesn't like this custom My Media Helper website title. So I'm just going to go to my channel. So just go here, hit your channel. Actually, they want this. So stop that. So I'm going to grab this instead. All right, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to get rid of this now. I'm going to hit this YouTube again. And I'm going to try once again to embed the channel. All right, so this is the desired look that we want. So you can insert playlist, you can insert gallery. So I will insert gallery. And then I will update. All right, and then I'll go over here. Oops. I'll just click on this link, actually. And there we go. There's our gallery. And something else I wanted to show you. You notice the subscribe to my channel button. If you go over to this and go to Wizard, I believe. No, it wasn't Wizard. Galleries. All right, this is part of your customization for what you want to do there. So I put this here. So it's going to have you a little space there. I just put in My Media Helper, subscribe to my channel. And then, like I said before, just look through all this stuff and you can make changes as you want. And that's about it. You can change it up, play around with it. And you got embedded on there. You can do it in the front page. Feel free to go in here and add content. You can kind of go like this. I don't know. This is my front page. You can add different stuff, different elements to it. I'll just update real quick. All right. Do different things with it. lessen the amount of thumbnails, the videos, and just go to town. That's all I have to say. That's all I got to say about that. All right, guys and gals, I hope this was most helpful. I will have description links in the description. Makes sense. And I thank you very much. I hope you subscribe, you like, you share, you hit that little belly thing down there and help the channel. I would appreciate that. And I will catch you next time. Bye.